In this ornate theater of algorithmic bravado, where countless expert advisors proclaim infinite upside and quietly escort accounts to oblivion, I've been the politely skeptical reviewer running Magic Vac EA on my own setup for a long stretch now. And instead of excuses and equity erosion, this one kept doing something rare: behaving. After weeks of watching Magic Vac EA operate with measured confidence rather than theatrical aggression, I figured it was time to deliver a mock formal, tongue-in-cheek but fully tested review from someone who's already lived with it, not just glanced at a curve. Ah yes, the unzipping ritual, always revealing. The Magic Vac EA archive opens cleanly. Extract here, and out come the X4 file, set file, and clear installation notes without any scavenger hunt nonsense. I slid the EX4 into MT4's experts folder, refreshed the terminal, attached Magic Vac EA to XAUUSD as suggested, loaded the set file, enabled auto trading, and alright, it came alive immediately. No DLL tantrums, no mysterious errors, just smooth professional readiness that quietly inspires confidence. Now let's talk MyFXBook, because this is where Magic Vac EA stops being a promise and starts being a pattern. Verified tracking, real account conditions, leverage transparently shown, and an equity curve that climbs with discipline rather than delusion. What caught my attention early was the consistency. Gains accumulate steadily instead of exploding randomly, drawdown stays contained, and the balance to equity relationship remains tight, meaning floating risk is actively managed. Trade behavior shows intent. Magic Vac EA avoids forcing entries during chaotic volatility and patiently waits for structured conditions, which is painfully rare in gold-focused systems. Win rate remains healthy across sessions, losses are clipped quickly, and expectancy per trade stays positive even after broker costs. Over time, the curve reflects recovery after pullbacks instead of emotional revenge trading, and that's the telltale sign of logic over luck. Simply put, Magic Vac EA demonstrates a survival-first mindset, and that's exactly why its performance feels believable rather than borrowed. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part real quick. I ran Magic Vac EA on MT4 using high-quality tick data with an initial deposit of $10,000, and the report came back refreshingly clean. Total net profit around $23,500 plus, gross profit comfortably outweighing losses, profit factor sitting in a strong zone, and maximum drawdown remaining impressively controlled for a gold-centric strategy. Trade volume is statistically meaningful, average trade stays positive, and nothing in the report screams curve fitting or fantasy math, which honestly strengthens live trade confidence. So, wrapping this up, after running Magic Vac EA hands-on and watching it operate day after day with composure instead of chaos, I can say it earns its place among disciplined automation rather than noisy hype. This specific bot is available on our website, and if you want deeper technical details, reports, and setup guidance, just check the description. To stay updated on optimizations, shared experiences, and ongoing discussions around Magic Vac EA, joining the Telegram group is the natural next step. That's where the real, unfiltered conversations continue. Alright then, that's my review. Tested, measured, and quietly convincing.